the coordinator. This is the coordinator of the year right now here in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Sergeant Lambert, what you can tell us about this warehouse?
This is where, right here, is where we're collecting and getting all our toys in, and we're going to get them distributed throughout the community, all 6 parishes of the Baton Rouge area.
How many days we have left?
How many days left? About, I say 5 days left. Yeah, the 22nd.
How's been this campaign this year? Like people are donating. How is this going this year?
Yeah. Even through COVID and everything, the community really stepped up and found out different ways to just overcame everything.
All the way down. Right there. Yeah.
Come on.
Jay.
Come on, it's time to get back in the juice outside somewhere.
Get him in, Thad. Get him in.
That's it.
What you got, Rob? That good? Ivy.
It's a dry. It's not like a hot food sauce. It's like a
Ivy.
Y'all better go sit down. Come on, right?
How many are you doing?
That's just a demonstration.
I'm just showing. I'm not trying to show up, but if we're gonna do a challenge, we're gonna do a competition. It have to be
more than I would do.
It have to be straight push-ups, no like weak push-ups. Like
Yeah, come on, man. Go. Come on. Go.
You got it.
right.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Take care of that. You got that. Go ahead, Rob. You got that. He did that with no effort. They got up like it was nothing.
It's the challenge for you guys. Like I jump on it if you want me to.
All right, who's not participating? Me. All right, ready? Get down. All right.
Get off your knees.
That's his normal position, you know.
That sounds good.
Okay, he ready.
Ready? From the bottom, like okay. Ready? Set, go. Bet. 10 seconds. Seconds. Come on, baby. Come on. 30 seconds. That's 30 seconds right there. 30 seconds. Come on. Breathe in, breathe out. This is what we do. Come on. You got 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Come on. 50 seconds. You got 10 more. Come on. All the way. Come on. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Who was counting?
Hand clap, yeah.
I wasn't counting. I don't know, but like, we gotta win.
Yeah, we gotta do it over. Everybody forgot to count.
I ran out of gas on.
We gotta win. We gotta win.
Too fat.
Y'all did a great job.
See?
Kick flip. Yeah. Hey.
There's been a lot of crazy stuff going on in 2020, but this is for a bigger picture, bigger cause. There's a lot of people that come together, put together a lot to make this happen. So the turnout was great. I wish the weather would have held off, but Ricky from Street Kings puts in a lot of work. Y'all see him on Instagram. Y'all see him at the shows. We got the guys from On Site. We got Larry and Jeremy Slavin. These guys have been promoting and helping out. They do tons of audio. They also got a side business that's growing. It's huge. It's side-by-sides, 4x4s. It's Elite Power Sports, joint venture with Larry and Anthony. Them guys are killing it out there. And then here I am. We're just trying to have a good time and maintain. I want to put on more shows, but this Toys for Tots event is real close to heart. You know, you get to help kids, put smiles on people's face. You know, there's a lot of unfortunate people out there. We got the Marines. They head this Toys for Tots event, and it's a very, very good deal. So I want to appreciate everybody for coming out here and give you all a round of applause for participating. Appreciate that.
Hey, if you don't mind, I got short words too.
Yes.
I wanna appreciate and say thank you on behalf of the Marine Corps and Toys for Tots campaign, because it was a short fuse event, and we really appreciate it because it's gonna be for the kids here in Louisiana. And I know, like you said, this year has been rough, and that's why I got close to them. It's like, hey, can we make this happen? And I really appreciate it.
Thank you. Yeah. I appreciate y'all's service. So